Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all the settings, then scroll down, find and select Backup and Reset, and now go to Backup My Data. Now you can enable Google servers by tapping on this switcher, and let's go back because it's time to add the backup account. Simply tap on backup account, give your device a few seconds to check all the information, and now enter your Gmail address, and if you don't have one, you can create an account by tapping over here. So I will enter mine, it's HardReset. And click on next. Then enter the password, just let me show you. If you'll tap on the eye icon, you will be able to see what you are entering. So let me do it off the screen. As only it's entered, you can just click on next. And now come along with the terms of Google service. Just click on the link to read all the documents, and then if you agree, tap on I agree. And as you can see, backup to Google Drive has been activated. Accept it to confirm, and from now on your data is saved because it's backed up automatically. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.